Malta is one of the biggest friends of my country. Malta supports Macedonia in our efforts to be a full member of European Union since our candidate process that was 2005. And of course we will give more and more reasons to get this support for the future. Of course, in my country there is a lot of substantial reforms what we implemented together with the opposition, all institutions. It's reforms connecting with judiciary, with media, with security services, with public administration, with health system, education, etc., etc. And of course, we have very clear and unconditional recommendation from the European Union, and we're waiting in front of European doors through the European Union Council in the end of June for a positive decision to start negotiation after 13 years of waiting in front of the doors. Of course, the biggest problem for us was name issue problem, what we have with our good south neighbor Greece. We are really good neighbors. We have very good cooperation in variety of way, but one political issue is in front of us. Hoping that the next days we will find solution also for this substantial problem, what is more than 25 years between our two countries, and hoping that we will encourage and Malta and other European Union countries that we are completely with the European behavior, that we try to find solution even for that kind of substantial problem directly, bilaterally, without some moderator and managers who will assist us, and to encourage once again European Union countries and European Union institutions to give support for our further process of starting of negotiation in the European Union.